Welcome to the botany class, dear students. Here I am Dr. Pramod Khadse, and we have discussed regarding the electron transport system and the oxidative phosphorylation. So, first of all, here it is the last step of aerobic respiration after the completion of the Krebs cycle, where the energy is actually released. The process of the synthesis of the ATP during the oxidation of coenzymes in electron transport system of aerobic respirations, that's why it is called as the oxidative phosphorylation. It takes place in a Christie and F1 particles of mitochondria. The two hydrogen atoms liberated during the glycolysis, and that is liberated from the reduced coenzymes NADH2 or NADPH2 during the glycolysis and Krebs cycle of the aerobic respirations, travel through the FAD and cytochromes. Finally, that is reduce potential and is finally oxidized by free molecular oxygen to form water molecule. That is why a process called as the terminal oxidation. This involves numbers of the coenzymes like NAD, FAD, and the series of cytochromes, that is the electron carriers. That is the cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, and finally cytochrome A3, which acts as an electron acceptor or electron carrier. Here, the actual process here the actual process of the that is electron transport system is start when the reduced form of the NADH2 is oxidized into the NAD. So during the oxidation of the NADH2 into NAD, the energy is released. That energy is sufficient to phosphorylate to the ADP molecules and finally formation of ATP in between the reduced NADH2 and FADH2. So here during the transfer of energy, transfer of electrons, the transfer of electrons are again reduced to FAD into FADH2. So during the reduction of the FAD into the FADH2, here again in between the cytochrome B and the FAD, there is a hydrogen molecules are released. That two H plus are splitting into the two protons and the two electrons, and that two protons are directly transferred into the mitochondrial matrix, and the two electrons are that continues transferred to the electron acceptor or electron carrier, that is the cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, and the cytochrome A3, in particular the inner mitochondrial membrane or in the Christie membrane of the mitochondria. Here, so ATP is generated in between the NADH2 and FADH2. So next ATP is generated in between the cytochrome P and the cytochrome C when the here reduced form the cytochrome B, that is the Fe2 plus, that is the reduced form of the cytochrome B, it is oxidized into the Fe3 plus, it is the oxidized form of cytochrome B, and during that oxidation of the reduced form of cytochrome B, Fe2 plus into the Fe3 plus, here energy is released, and that energy is released again, it is phosphorylized to the ADP molecules, and it is generated into the energy rich compound ATP molecules in between cytochrome P and cytochrome C. When during the transfer of the electrons, again the oxidized form of Fe3 plus is reduced into the Fe2 plus. So second ATP molecules are generated in between the cytochrome B and the cytochrome C here, and the next ATP is generated in between the cytochrome A and the cytochrome A3. So here again the reduced, here the oxidized form of the Fe3 plus of cytochrome A, again it is reduced into the reduced form of the cytochrome A, that is the Fe2 plus, during the that is here oxidation reduction process. And again here the energy is released, that energy is that is phosphorylate to the ATP molecules and generate the ATP molecules here. And here again, and new, that is the third molecule of ATP are formed in between the cytochrome A and the cytochrome A3. Finally, here the oxidized form of the cytochrome A3, that is the Fe3 plus, are that is donate the electrons to the free molecular oxygen. And after that, this oxygen is combines with the protons which is already present into the matrix of the mitochondria, and that protons are combined with oxygen and formation of H2O molecules. So here finally H2O is released in the process of electron transport system. So in presence of oxygen, there is a formation of the or generation of the 3 ATP molecules by the reduction of the NADH2, and 2 ATP molecules by the by the reduction of NADH2 into oxidation into NAD. There is a 3 ATP molecules are generated, and 2 ATP molecules are generated by the reduced FADH2 is oxidation into FAD with the formation of H2 molecules by the reduction by the oxygen which is combines with the protons already present in the matrix of mitochondria. So that's why that process called as the oxidative phosphorylation. And so here the completion of the electron transport system. Thank you very much.